It's our first morning in Boston!
And so we're gonna go walk the Freedom Trail.
Yep, it's a little chilly out, so we're glad we bundled up, but I'm not sure if we're bundled up enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like we might need to go get like, I don't know, some fur coats. I don't know what. But it looks beautiful out, and it's not supposed to rain till 2 in the afternoon.
So we've got time.
So we've got a good couple hours before that's supposed to hit. Oh my gosh, there's a little trolley. What are you learning?
I'm learning about Benjamin Franklin.
He buried in here?
No, but his parents are.
That's cool. Franklin. We found a donkey. He's so hungry.
Stand in opposition. Democrats and the Republicans.
That's awesome. Hey there, Ben. Jake just noticed these cool bricks with a curve. Fancy! We're continuing down the Freedom Trail. We're already smelling some food. Giant cookies. Oh, this is fun in here. Oh my. Panadas. Those are cool. What did you pick out?
I got a little baby cannoli.
Oh, that's so cute.
Chocolate chip.
All right, you gotta give it a try.
Oh, I know. It's gonna be amazing. Look how good it looks.
Ooh. Out of 10.
Probably like an 8 or a 9.
Pretty good then.
Yeah, it's really good.
Cheers.
Let's go check it out.
Did anyone watch this show growing up? We're gonna go check out the Boston Public Market because it's freezing out. What's your first impressions of Boston?
Oh, I love it. It's awesome.
This looks cool. Smells delicious in here. Yeah. Fresh breads. What are these?
Different pastas.
Different pastas. That's cute.
Yeah.
We picked out a hot appleberry cider to keep us warm out in that cold.
Yeah, from the Red Apple Farm.
Smells really good.
Yum. It's probably really hot too.
It tastes good though.
Good. Cute alleyways.
It's so fun. We're not really getting too far on the Freedom Trail yet because we keep seeing all these stores and different places we want to explore. We're gonna go check out Paul Revere's house and say hello. Mike's Pastry. Let's do it. Food. They told us to get cannolis here. Everything is ginormous size here. Huge cannolis.
$5. Is this your favorite part?
All right, Jake, it's time for the reveal. I love how they wrap it up. That's so cute.
I know.
What kind did you get?
It's gonna be a surprise.
A surprise. You just pull it to one side.
I know, this is really cool.
Okay. Ta-da! Ooh. That looks really good. That is quite the cannoli.
Yes, it is.
Hold that up to your face for size comparison.
Caramel pecan.
I like how they sprinkle fresh powdered sugar on it.
Yes, ginormous too.
All right, take a bite. What do you think?
That's really good.
So Jake's actually quite the cannoli connoisseur. Cannoli connoisseur.
I just like cannolis.
Is it as good as everyone's raved?
What do you got there?
This is really good. It's like a lemon, coconutty macaroon.
Let's do that.
It's really soft and chewy, but crunchy on the outside.
Yum.
It's really good. Jake says he doesn't taste the lemon. What do you taste?
Oh no.
Don't you taste like sweetness though?
Yeah, no, I taste something like lemon.
It has a very like sweet, strong flavor.
Yeah.
Tina's helping us finish up. What did you decide it was?
So there's almond. It's almond flavoring.
So Jake, was Mike's Pastries all that it was cracked up to be?
Yeah, it was awesome.
It was really good. So we've been seeing everyone like
Wearing their
dressed
Patriots
up because tonight's a big Patriot
game.
Super Bowl game.
Uh-huh.
Ooh, this looks cool. Check this out. Following the Freedom Trail. We came across another burial ground.
Yeah, this one's cool.
Which one's this one?
Cops Hill.
Walking along a cool bridge right now, and it's next to the water, but I feel like everyone here has been so kind, and this is just such a fun place.
It's awesome.
It's starting to rain out. We didn't bring Jake an umbrella, but oh, it's coming down.
It's actually, it looks like it's hail.
Ooh! Can you see the hail coming down? Can hear it. This is Winthrop Square, but check out all these cute colored homes. We're just checking out the Bunker Hill Museum and resting our feet. We made it to Bunker Hill. It's raining out, so we put our cover on the bag. But this is exciting. We just went to the National Parks Bunker Hill Museum. That was cool because it's free.
And we just learned about Bunker Hill to refresh our memory.
Yeah, because I don't remember too much from American history.
I remember reading about it, but it's different when you actually like come to the place.
I feel like it's kind of like a Washington, D.C. monument. We're heading to explore the U.S.S. Constitution. Cool. We go down. Check it out, there's cannons. And they each have their own name.
This one's name is...
This is pretty cool down here. That one's called Do Not Climb on Guns.
That's the name of this one.
Uh-huh.
Sophie.
Go try it. Heavy?
Officer's quarters. There's his hammock.
So we learned if you have to go to the bathroom, you head to the front of the ship.
Because it's called the head.
You go to the head and you stick your bum over and you go potty. And then the ocean cleans it off.
Alright, Kelsey's going to show us how.
You just climb up these that you're not allowed to climb.
And you just hang your bums over.
And you hope that that the boat doesn't hit a big wave and you go overboard. That's so wild. Tell me something you learned.
So this is the oldest ship that's still active and in commission. That's also in the water.
Look at our reflection. See the pretty skyline. And Jake spotted some geese. And he's singing the
Geese.
Charlie the Chocolate Factory song. I want 'em all. The Super Bowl game starts in 4 hours, but everyone is already getting decked out and lining up at the pubs. Jake and I were talking. He's gonna get a picture for his friend, but we were like, it's kind of hard not to want the Patriots to win
When we're here.
Yeah, yeah, like we're like, this is kind of a big deal. We're heading back to Quincy Market for lunch. Jake, what do you want to get?
Okay, some clam chowder probably.
We got some New England clam chowder and a lobster roll, served
Buttered
hot
yeah.
and buttered. Yum! This bread roll looks fantastic. Okay, Jake, try a bite of that.
Okay, you're gonna get video of me?
Yeah.
In a mess?
Yeah.
Oh my.
What do you think?
That's like buttery goodness.
So good? Jake and I are feeling so spoiled. Tonight is the big Patriots Super Bowl game, and the Four Seasons came and brought us this darling treat spread to celebrate. And I'm dying over these little football strawberries, and welcome to Boston, and the cute Patriots cookies. This is the way to my heart. I'm dying, it's so cute. So now we just need to turn the game on because it's gonna start soon. We're watching a little bit of football. Jake's all ready for dinner. Where are we going for dinner tonight?
We're gonna eat downstairs.
And we will come back and see who won. Look how pretty the lobby looks. Look at this beautiful bread. I love those orange salt shakers. All right, this is the tuna tartare. And that looks amazing. And Jake got an oyster. And that looks super tasty. Jake, when's the last time you've eaten an oyster?
Can't remember.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, show us how it's done.
He's already loose.
He got this. You just slurp it out.
Yeah, he's already loose. He's ready to go.
I saw this on The Bachelor.
Yeah.
You just eat it like that. Really good?
Yeah.
It's like a Mexican fiesta. It is so good. Our dinner just came out. I got the short ribs. Jake got the filet mignon and a side of Brussels sprouts. This was our dessert we picked out. It's pumpkin pie ice cream sandwiches. And it looks like there's tasty caramel. It looks really cute. Well, we just finished a delicious dinner.
Dinner was so good. And
what was your favorite thing you ate?
oh man, I don't know. The steak was really awesome. The probably dessert was really good, but that was also last on my mind.
Yeah, I thought it was all really good, but I seriously was dying over the pumpkin pie ice cream sandwiches. They were
awesome.
Fantastic. Well, the fact that like you could bite into the ice cream and it didn't freeze your teeth, and then the ice cream sandwich
melt.
cookie wasn't, it was like the perfect consistency. And then it had like this whipped pumpkin, like pumpkin goodness with pumpkin seeds and I don't know what else, and caramel.
Something else. It was awesome.
That was just fantastic. So that was the perfect way to end that meal. It was so good. Everyone was so sweet and the service was awesome there, and so that was definitely really tasty.
Yeah. So we're just gonna wind down. We came back up to finish watching the Super Bowl.
It's halftime. Well, halftime just finished.
And so, yeah, we're excited to see who wins. It's close.
Yeah, Jake and I have never, like, either of us didn't grow up with sports families or anything like that. And so, but it's been really fun being around
all these fans.
Yeah, everyone's been like cheering, and down at the bar downstairs you could hear everyone just yelling, like so excited, and people have been decked out all day. So I feel like it's made me excited, being like, oh my gosh, I hope the Patriots win just because we're here.
We're here, yeah.
We don't follow football though, so
no.
I'm sure both teams are very deserving. Well, I guess we should get on to watching the rest of the game.
Yeah. Sounds good.
Let's do it.
Okay.